Linguica. 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 Okay, y'all. We were at a restaurant recently that had a pretty good linguica sandwich. I thought maybe I can try that at home. I've got a flat top griddle. Let's try it. So, bought me some linguica and we got it on the griddle. And I think I'm gonna dig out my bacon press in a sec. I'll flatten it out to help it cook, and I'll be right back. Bacon press, perfect for bacon, smash burgers, and linguica. I got me some fancy buns. I'm gonna attempt to put some horseradish on my fancy buns as a lubricant instead of butter or mayo. If I can get this thing open. This is store brand, so they're not opening as easily as they should. And this is the last of my horseradish, so I don't know if there's enough to even finish the job. Yeah, close enough maybe, hopefully. Spread it around. Go around town. A little bit of noise today. One neighbor with his avocado grow is doing some wood chipping, and the other neighbors have cut down their avocado grow, and they want to be winemakers, so they're putting in irrigation and planting grapevines, and in a few years they may or may not have grapes or wine, maybe. We shall see. We have a strange microclimate up here, and we know citrus and avocado grows. We don't know about wine grapes. We'll see. Anyway, let's check these out, shall we? Nah, I can't always use a spatula. Sometimes another tool is called for. Oh, look at that. Oh, perfect. Perfect, I say. Look at that. Perfect. It's not taking any time at all, especially if you smash it. Of course, sometimes a spatula may have been better. They don't want to grab. There we go. Oh, look at that sear. Yes, sirree, Bob. Oh, this is low. Put my fancy dancy buns on, and you know what? Once we got a bacon press out, let's press it down. Ranch dressing, by the way, is awesome on grilled cheese instead of butter or mayonnaise. Horseradish works. That's a little spicy. These are the mild sausage because I knew I was using spicy horseradish, although I thought I had more. So we're gonna also try mustard. What do you say? Sound good? Sounds good to me too. That's not bad. Smells like horseradish. Smells like I might burn my fingers. Oh. Heated up the bread. Got a little bit of the toast on the outside. I could have done it a little longer, but I didn't. So there. I say that's done. Let's get this purdy one. The purdiest piece. Yeah? Huh? You ever seen a prettier piece of linguica? Linguica. I just like saying linguica. 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 Turn this off. Oh, you want a shot of the... Okay. Here's your... I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeVille. Doesn't that look good? No, it looks good. Okay, we'll try a little mustard on one. Fold it. Yeah. Looks good, huh? I'd say that's a thumbs up. And the horseradish, creamy horseradish on the bread was the white call. I gave it a little bit of spice. The dill pickle mustard gives it some tang. That's darn good. Can't say it's better than the what I had at the restaurant, but it's pretty close. Different flavors, different... I have to finish my sandwich and then I'll decide. So, that's what we've got for today. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for following, liking, sharing, subscribing, helpful, constructive comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!